What's up, guys? I'm back again today to bring you another video. A little bit different of a video today, but basically let me explain. I know you're probably wondering what the title means. So basically, I've been looking into side hustles recently, and I was scrolling through my For You page, and I came across this post, and they were talking about pennies and coins, or pennies specifically. And what they informed me on is the fact that if you have a penny that's made before 1982, it is like 90% copper, making it worth more than just the actual value of the penny. So one penny is actually worth like 2.5 cents if it's made before like 1982. And there's also scenarios where you could have a defect in a penny that was printed wrong that's worth a lot of money. You also get wheat pennies, which are worth even more than the copper value pennies. And then there's also the collectible value to it as well. So I was looking at that side hustle and I was like, okay, let me see if there's any realness here. Let me test this out and see if there's actually money to be made here. So I went ahead and I got $4 in pennies. They're all rolled up, 50 cents each. And I would have done more money, but I don't have the time to count that much change, so I just picked $4 as a good amount to go with. But anyways, I'm about to cut to a time lapse, and you're gonna see me sorting through these coins, and then after I sort through them, at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how much the $4 is actually worth, how much it's worth aside from its base value. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the time lapse. Let's roll it. Alrighty, guys, so I've got the coins all sorted out here as you saw in the time lapse, and basically the points that I want to make are that first off, as you can see here, we had the most 2020s. That was the most coins we had. I thought it might have been 2021s or 2022s, but surprisingly it was 2020s. There were so many that we had to have 2 stacks of them, and as you can see, they're all ordered by date here. We had a lot of 2020s as well, or we had the most 2020s, but we also had a lot of 2005s and 2015s, which really aren't worth any extra value, but it was just interesting to see. The thing that was interesting here is our oldest penny that we have is from 1942, which is crazy in my opinion. But as you can see, it's right there. And then we have a 1948 one above it. So basically, as we're looking here, guys, the idea of it is that well, first of all, let me talk about this coin right here. That right there is a Canadian penny that somehow ended up in the rolls of coins. I don't know. All of those pennies are like kind of tarnished and messed up pennies, so I just put them in a pile. They don't really count in my opinion. But that's the coins there. Okay, guys, so basically, we've gone through the video. The question you're probably wanting to have answered finally is how much is $4 in pennies, pre-rolled, sorted out? How much is it worth? Well, let's look at the values. There were 2 wheat pennies, okay? Each wheat penny, from what I looked up, is worth about 4 cents each. So that's 8 cents. So right now it went from $4 to $4.08 because we have 2 wheat pennies. It was those 2 oldest pennies that we saw in the video. Now, any penny from before 1982 is worth around 3 cents. We had a grand total of 52 pennies 1982 or older. Those pennies are worth around 3 cents each, so each one of them is like a cent less than the wheat pennies. So that adds out to about total, when you add them both together, total, this is the big number, here we go, drum roll please, cue it, maybe not, I don't know. The total is going to be $5.64 from $4. Now, that might not seem like a lot, but that's actually over 25% profit. So basically, like, it's $5.64, which came out of 4. You're returning $1.64. So that's almost, I want to say, that's like 40%, somewhere around there. You're getting about a 30 to 40% return. And actually, just because I'm going to get out the calculator, I didn't add this number up yet, but I'll do it right now for the viewers who actually care and watch the full video to this point. That's going to be, so you had $4, okay, so that's $5.64, so 5.64 divided by 4, so that is, you had a 40% profit from sorting out $4 in pennies. That to me is a good side hustle, so I'm passing this side hustle. This side hustle of counting coins gets a pass because anything that has 40, close to 40% return, that's pretty high. That's almost 50. 50 is like, that's crazy. So that's my opinion. Try the side hustle out yourself. Send the info to me and let me know what you got. See if it worked for you or not. And maybe I just got crazy lucky. I don't know. Appreciate the views. Drop a like if you want to. I'm out.